Okay, so right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over exactly how to use Uniswap, which is an interface where you can go ahead and buy and sell different cryptocurrencies, which are meme tokens right now. How here you can see that we have a list of different ways and different places where you can buy them. I'm gonna go over first Uniswap on how you can connect your actual wallet to it and be able to swap out the tokens. These are tokens like Kishu, Shiba, and Elon and other things like that, because I know you guys heard a lot about these things. So I want to be able to show you how to do it exactly. So again, you come here and then this is Uniswap. I dropped it in the chat. You go here to connect wallet, wallet connect, and then you go to your app, which is mine, Trust Wallet. Uniswap. Let me disconnect and then reconnect. Scan that QR code. And then from here, now it's going to go ahead and put you in a position to where you can swap out the coins and you can actually start making money from these as little as no time. Now you guys see here, this is my wallet address, okay? So let's see, for instance, if I don't have Shiba on here. So let's say, hypothetically, if I wanted to go ahead and do Kishu, if I wanted to sell my Kishu, I'm gonna import the token. I just type in a token or put in the contract address. I click import. And then from there, it's going to give me the access. These are my max points, 300 billion Kishus right now. And I select the token of where I want to go ahead and transfer to. Since this is the Ethereum network, you transfer to Ethereum. So I click max. And then so that means I have $1,300 worth of Kishu. And that's going to be able to let me now exchange it from Kishu, a meme coin, into Ethereum, a base coin. Now I can use that Ethereum to do whatever I want, cash it out, make my money, and so forth of that nature. Now, it says get a better price on V2. There's different variations of levels to where you can, you know what I'm saying, swap this out. I want to swap it for the cheapest. I want less fees as possible, and you're going to be able to do something like that. Now, my suggestion is understanding slippage. Slippage is super duper important whenever you're trying to exchange a token, because this is going to calculate your fees. Okay. Now, if you're doing a Kishu, you're doing Safe Moon, BNB or something like that, your swappage is going to be dramatically higher than over here. So I will put like 5% slippage. Slippage is just saying a front run. Basically, this is if I put a higher percentage for the people who are going to give me my tokens, guess what? They're going to put mine in front of the line. So I don't have to wait for it. And my fees may be a little, it's okay. Then I come out here, I click swap. And then once I click swap, I'll show you guys. It's going to tell me exactly what the fee is. It tells me how much Ethereum I'll get for my Kishu. And all I have to do is confirm the swap right here on my actual device, which is the app on Trust Wallet. So it's a truly simple and easy process, but I want you guys to understand that it's not hard at all, but you do have to put in the time and effort to understand it. Now, there is something called gas fees. Gas fees are associated with exchanging tokens. This is just merely the price and the fee you pay to swap out a token. Right now, gas fees are at its all-time high. I'm talking about it's at its all-time high. So you're looking to exchange Kishu token, Shiba token, anything on the Ethereum network, you're looking at paying at least $100 to $300 in fees for you to get your money. Does everybody understand that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool, perfect. I want to be upfront and let you guys know, but again, without no risk, there's not a, somebody said,
reward.
Exactly. So now you guys see Uniswap. So Pancake Swap, this is the BNB network, which can also be used on PooCoin. So this is my actual wallet. This is PooCoin app. I'll drop this in the chat as well for you guys.
Is everything gonna be recorded, Charlie?
Yes, sir. This is all being recorded.
Awesome.
Okay. I got you. I got you, Meg. I see. Got you. Or one of y'all hop on in there and do that for me real quick, Meg. I appreciate you. Okay, why do people want to switch or change coins? Good question, Priscilla. The reason why people want to switch or sell coins is because the simple fact of when the coin is up, you want to take your profits. It's just like you buy a stock. And say when Tesla went from $500 to $900. Guess what? You're going to want to take some profits out of your investment, right? And these meme tokens, they're not guaranteed to be around for forever. So you want to take your money while you can, or at least a portion of your money. You never want to just leave your investment in, especially in a meme token, because anything can happen. Anything can happen. Just want to give you that reference. Okay, does that make sense, Priscilla?
Yes, thank you.
Okay, cool, perfect. All right, so now this is the BNB network. I use PooCoin because I can find every single BNB coin on PooCoin. And I believe I just dropped that in the chat. So you do the same thing. This is my wallet. Right here, you guys can see $58,945 inside of my wallet. This is going to list every single coin that I'm in the BNB network, okay? This is going to show you guys exactly what coins you're in, okay? So if we were to go to a coin, I want you guys to understand that BNB network, this is, I'm gonna be honest, this is where most of the majority of scams come along. Why? Because anybody can make one of these tokens. You want to prepare yourself and be in the best situation. So I want to go over really quick on how to find a rug pull, how to find a scam in reference to that, okay? So how do you find that out? I know a lot of you guys are trying to figure it out, trying to figure what's going on. So let's see here. Let me go ahead and, okay. Club, Fun Coin, that was good. Oxy Doge, let me find, because I ain't gonna lie, I got scammed before. You know what I'm saying? It happens to us all. Now, I put monkey. So what you want to do is if you're in a BNB coin, you come in and you put the token address, the contract address, and you come and look at the coin. You look here on the side, you see the market cap, you see the liquidity holdings. If the liquidity holdings are 0, do not get in the coin. You know why? Because liquidity is what you're going to use to pull your money out. If there's no liquidity, you're not getting no money out. The coin can go to the moon, but you ain't getting none of that bread. Guess what? That's going directly into somebody else's wallet. And you see here is red. An unlocked wallet is holding 90% of the token. When you see that, that's a red flag. That is a red flag. Now, the traditional good pairs or something like that for you to get in will have a high liquidity. Let me go ahead and show you. Let me show you.
Can you give an example?
Yeah, I'm gonna give you an example. So safe move, high liquidity. You see the market cap is through the roof, right? And then this is the liquidity, 46 million. So you know you can get your money out. You know you can. And then guess what? You come down to the holders. Let me see if the holders pop up. And you can check the wallet, who's holding what. So you can truly see, you want to make sure that the liquidity is locked. This is how you know that liquidity is locked. You will see an address like this. It should be number 1. You see that right there? And that holds 42%. Now, I'm a firm believer in that there's whales simply who buy this amount of coin and they hold a large stake in it. Should own 3 to 5% of one. 6% is scary. You know what I'm saying? If you got that much, you can move the market if you sell anything. G, you know what I'm talking about. So,
yes, sir.
Yeah, you see here that the liquidity pool, 42% of it is already locked. So it's good. Oh. And you see the top address has only 3% of the token. So that's a good coin to get into. That's how you know you can always pull your money out no matter what. So these are some things you want to look on in reference to that. And this is mainly happens on the BNB network. Just give you guys a sauce, give you guys the information so you know what to do and what not to do and what to look for. And that's exactly why you're a part of this community. We give you access to all this information, okay? So now, does everybody understand the Ethereum network and the BNB network and how to find a rug pull or a scam? Does everybody understand that?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. We'll work on it.
Yeah, I understand.
Okay, cool. I think y'all say yeah. So perfect. Now let's go ahead, go back to the slide. Now you guys seen that. Next thing I want to show you is dextools.io. Now you can come and, because there's so many different networks that you can get into and get these coins on. Let me go ahead and see. I'll drop Dex Tools in the chat right here. Now you guys have access to it. There's so many different coins that you can get on and so many different networks. There's Ethereum network. This is the BNB network, and this is the Polygon network, and this is the Phantom network. The Polygon and the Phantom network, these are newer networks, but they have a lot of value that will be used inside of the metaverse. The metaverse. Now, the coin networks are mainly the BSC and Ethereum. There are some coins in Polygon and Phantom, but the most popular ones are in these two, okay? But you can come here on Dex Tools, right? And say if you're looking for a new Ethereum coin, you're like, man, I don't know what to look for. I'm in search of something. Guess what? You can come and find live new pairs that are dropping just within a couple minutes ago, an hour ago. So here you see SINs. You see right here, it was dropped 2 minutes ago, 3 minutes ago. Token price is $1.63. Your total liquidity is 77,000. That ain't bad, you know? Well, 77, 77. Yeah, 77,000.
For 2 minutes, that's solid.
For 2 minutes, that is amazing. The coin is already up 27%. And then people are already staking and putting their coins on the line. So you know that this has super duper potential to get in. And then you go back and check and see, okay, cool. How many holders has this and so forth of that nature, okay? And you can see this for every single one. This is how I find some of the best coins. Now, I'm not going to give you guys all that sauce, you know what I'm saying? But you have to do your own research. I can't give you that much, you know what I'm saying? You can do the same thing with the BNB network, live pairs. Come and look at what's happening, what's going on. Okay, I got you. Hold on 1 second. 1 second, family. 1 second, family. Let me go ahead and do something real quick. All right, it's done. So perfect. So you can do the same thing here, but on the BNB network, you see that all these say zero. You see the liquidity. Look at the liquidity. There's little next to nothing on these. That's why you want to be aware of what's going on. Okay, so that's the sauce. That's the sauce. We're gonna keep it there. So now let's go back to the actual platform here. Now, I went over the steps to how to buy meme coins. Again, you can take a screenshot of this so you can follow along. That's the key, okay? Steps to buy the meme coin. Step 1, download your app, Trust Wallet or MetaMask. Step 2, buy Ethereum or BNB, whatever network you're on, Polygon or whatever. Then you want to add your coin to the wallet. Then step 4, you go to Uniswap and swap Ethereum or BNB for the coins on PancakeSwap. And you approve it on your transaction, on your actual app, use the contract address, and just be aware of gas fees are high, $100 to $300. Letting you know this now, so you can't say that Charlie didn't tell you, okay? Now, steps to how to buy altcoins, okay? Hope you guys. Okay, man, I got you. I got you, Josh. All right, so steps to buy altcoins, easy peasy. Now, step 1, download the Coinbase app. This is where you want to buy a majority of your altcoins. Stable, safe. Steve was just talking to me the other day. He's like, I got to get me a VPN for these meme tokens just to be on the safe side. But with altcoins, Coinbase, you're good to go. You don't have to worry about that. So step 1, download the app, Coinbase. Step 2, select your coin. Step 3, add your coin to your wallet. It's simple, right? It is pretty simple and easy. So that is pretty much that thing. Before I go any further, does anybody have any other questions? Okay, I see in the chat. If you don't have Binance Exchange account, do you still recommend using Trust Wallet? So if you have Binance, that's super. You can use Binance, but in Texas, where I'm at right now, we can't use Binance, and not in a lot of other places in the US. You just have to use Binance.us, and you'll be able to use those as well. But I like Trust Wallet. Why? Because it provides me a ledger, and I have all my coins on one. So I definitely suggest you like to look at all your coins on one versus having one here. You want to see where your money is at all points of time, so you know what you need to do when you do, Miss Lana. And then Alec, if gas fees are $300, how much do we need to put in the account? Okay, I'll go over coins on the ledger in a second. So if gas fees are $300, whatever you want to invest, say if you want to invest $1,000, make sure you got 1,300 just for fees. 300 for fees, $1,000 to put inside the coin. So therefore, you're good to go. You don't have to worry. And then whenever you want to sell, it's going to charge you a transaction to sell it as well. So make sure you have an extra 100, 200 bucks left in your Ethereum or your BNB just to be on the safe side. Gas fees are high mainly for the Ethereum network. However, the BNB network is extremely low. I swapped something yesterday for 30 bucks. That's not bad, you know. Now, someone dropped in the chat, iPhone, said coins on a ledger. Me personally, I use Ledger Nano X. Ledger Nano X. This is something where you can take all your cryptocurrency and keep it offline. This is a safe key. This is a safe place where you can keep all your assets where nobody can steal it. It's offline. You're good to go. So again, Ledger Nano X, and it looks just like a USB. But beware, if you lose this USB, you lose your money. Exactly. Don't lose it. Don't lose it. That's all I'm gonna say. Do
Gone,
not.
Charles. Everything gone.
Facts. Facts. Oh, okay, cool. Bet. Tobias, I'll walk you through how to set up the ledger. I got you, boss. Okay, so now, are y'all ready for NFTs? Are y'all ready for NFTs? We gonna get in.
Let's go.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
definitely.
Yes, sir.
Drop NFTs in the chat. Drop NFTs in the
Yes,
chat.
sir.
NFT.
Whoa. Let's pick up some energy. Let's pick up the energy. I know it's a lot of information. I know it's a lot of information, but I want to give you value. Yeah, somebody started singing.
Yes, sir, I did.
Give you guys all the value possible to take it to that next level. So NFTs. Okay, so let's dive into NFTs and exactly what they are. People hear about them. They're like, man, people are making all this money off NFTs, digital art. This is crazy. How can I do that? Let me show you how. So what are NFTs? So NFT stands for non-fungible token. What is fungible? Non-fungible token. So fungible refers to a good that can be mutually exchanged. This is an example I'll put here. If you have $1 billion and another person has $1 billion and you swap it, guess what? Nobody's richer. So that is just give you an example, okay? So non-fungible is the opposite of that. So the token is attached to a super special item, and now you can trade that item and gain value and not lose value. So now you think about it like this. You're put in a position to where you make an art piece, right? Say, let's just think of the Mona Lisa. Now, the Mona Lisa, however, is extremely rare, so one of one. But people have all kinds of fakes. People have all kinds of screenshots and so forth of that nature. But none of that matters. Why? Because there's no transactional that can prove the worth and the value of that item because you don't have anything to step by. Now, these NFTs, they're super duper important. Why? Because they're tied to a blockchain. Now, this blockchain, this is essentially a big encrypted ledger, which shows you transaction on the Ethereum network and all different cryptocurrencies just in general. So when people buy these NFTs, these non-fungible tokens, they're purchasing keys. They're purchasing keys to them. So essentially, you own it. It is yours, and you can exchange it with somebody else or sell it or do whatever you want, and we can verify it. Without verifiable proof, there's no value. That's why you see things like Bored Apes going for $100,000. That's why you see things on VV, which is an app I believe that everybody should definitely download. You can get the new Disney tokens, the new Disney NFTs that are dropping for like 20, 30, maybe even 90 bucks and reselling for $2,000, like right now, like literally yesterday. Well, the drop was like
they dropped for 60.
Bucks, right? Yeah, it was like 25 bucks. Now it's selling for 2,000. Like,
bro, some of them are like 10K, dude.
Exactly.
Yeah, some of them sold out. I was just saying that.
What's the app?
BV.
So the lower mint number you get, the more it's worth.
Exactly.
So if you get like a sub 100, it's worth like 10 to 20K, depending on how low it actually is. It's insane.
And that's BNB.
No, that's VV.
NFT.
Let me go to it real quick on the screen so everybody can see.
If you're on your phone, it's a black background with a blue V.
Okay.
Yes, VV. This is the app. They got comics, drops, collectibles, everything. And this is the cheapest place where you can truly find NFTs right now. No cap. But you got to be fast when you're trying to buy it.
Within
Like,
seconds.
yeah, like let me see. Let's see new releases. Let me see if I can show you guys if anything. Start here.
Nothing's coming out right now. That digital comic right there just came out. That one's going crazy. DesignerCon is over.
And these things were like $7.
Yeah, there's all comics are $6.99, but they resell for a lot, dude.
Exactly. So everybody go and download the VV app and go set you up. You know what I'm saying? If you need to get gems, that's the currency that's used in reference to buying and selling these things. Hit your boy up.
Yeah, plug in with me or Rich.
Yeah, it's definitely good. It's definitely good. So far, is everybody understanding NFTs? I don't want to go anything over anybody's head.
I have one more
sense?
question.
Go ahead.
So when we buy these, where is there a place where we can hold them? Or we just move them to a different site after we buy this and download the app?
No, you don't move them to a
Yeah, I would
different
keep
site.
everything on the VV app. Keep everything you buy on VV on the VV app because there's certain gems, there's a certain currency that's used on the VV app that can be on the exchange there.
Okay.
And you can't transfer the NFT to anything anyway. You could only sell to like other VV users.
What is that?
Exactly. So yeah. Yeah. Okay. Rockstar say he got a few though, but everything's sold out. Yeah, you just want to be on top of it when the drops happen. Okay. But yes, Priscilla, anybody can create an NFT. Anybody can. Anybody can. I'm in the process of working on an NFT project. Me and my team, my guy Bruce is back there working on some art right now, to be totally honest with you. So
yes, sir. Let's go.
So some big things are definitely happening. So now, how to buy more NFTs. So now, this is how you buy on OpenSea. This is a bigger network where you can keep everything on OpenSea, and you can buy and resell these things on these platforms alone. That's where you see the Bored Apes. That's when you see these monkeys. That's where you see these little whales and all this stuff being put on. You can buy these things through Ethereum or Polygon. So on your OpenSea, you want to make sure you create your account and you want to connect your wallet, your MetaMask or your Trust wallet to it. Okay. So let me go ahead and go in here and I'll show you. Where did it go? Let me see. Okay, cool. This is my OpenSea. I was looking at this right here. This is definitely a good buy. Definitely a good buy, just FYI. So you come here, you go ahead and create and attach your Trust wallet or your MetaMask, whatever it is, go ahead and connect it on OpenSea. And then you want to go and look for different NFTs. Now you can explore and use this, and it's pretty simple and easy. Now, right here, I don't want to get off this. Let me favorite this real quick. Let me favorite that.
Always gotta.
Yeah,
you don't want to
definitely.
lose track. Or maybe make another tab. Can you do that?
Yeah, I'm probably gonna make another tab because I can't.
Yeah, you don't want to miss that, bro. I know how NFTs go.
Got it.
Here today, gone tomorrow, bro.
Exactly.
Gone today.
Yeah, here today, gone today. Yo.
Yes, here today, gone today.
Yeah, they really do
right
go
here.
crazy like that.
See, I'm gonna show you guys how to work and how to use it. Explore, right? What I'm gonna do is now you're gonna click buy now. This is how to filter. And if you only got $100, you know what I'm saying? You got $50, whatever that it is. There's a price range for everything. But just know, again, gas fees are associated with it. So you set your minimum and your max. Let's say if you have, let's say $200, just so we can see some good ones, okay? And we click apply. This is going to go ahead and show you all the NFTs that are available right now that are with a dollar range and to $200. And you can go and pick and choose which NFTs you want, right? So right now, so I'm looking Crypto Guys NFT. This looks cool, you know. This looks like a punk, right? One of those crypto punks. So I click on crypto. Let me go back. Let me go back a step. I don't want to go too far. Come on, pop up to the same spot. All right. So yeah, we see here that this crypto guy, he is worth 128 bucks right now. Just came out. He just got listed, okay? Now, what you want to do is to see the rarity of it is you see he has 6 views. You want something that people are really looking at, you know what I'm saying? Or if slept on secret, right? So you go to the creators page, right? And you want to see how much they're making, how much they're being traded. You want to see the interaction. You want to see exactly what's going on, so you can truly know, like, okay, cool. Do I need to invest into this? So let me see their activity. You can see this is happening right now. 12 seconds ago, 2 minutes ago, people were buying these up. This probably just dropped a couple hours ago. And you see that people are buying these up. Let's go to their collection. And they're only going for 100 bucks. Watch, Crypto Guy NFT. You guys look at it right now. It's only 120 something bucks. You can turn it to 5K, 500 bucks in a couple hours to a week. Like, no cap. And it goes through a full selection. They have their floor price of exactly what it is. So you can go and buy it now. So this is definitely a good one I would look into. If I were you, just find one that's cool that you like and then go on there. And it's easy to buy these things. All you have to do is click on them. Your wallet's already connected. Click buy now. And it's telling me exactly what my total is. I have 0.03 Ethereum total. That's it. And then all I got to do is make sure my funds are there and I'm good to go. And then the NFT shows on your profile and you're good to go in reference to that. So far, does everybody understand how easy it is to purchase NFTs? Let me know if you have any questions.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, cool, perfect. Let me check the chat. Not Minecraft. It looks like Minecraft. Yeah.
Charge for the fee. How much do they charge, Charlie, for the fee?
So gas fees, they vary, to be totally honest. That it's not going to be that $300. It's not going to be. You might get a $50, $100 or something like that. You know, you might pay what you pay, double up, to be honest. But you want, like,
Are you serious?
Yes, I'm serious. So now it looked like Minecraft. Minecraft is a very popular game with kids right now. That's why that's something that you want to buy. Somebody in the chat, Ms. Green said, my son said he would buy that pixel too. So just give y'all a heads up. But late at night, like Ms. Hazel J said, gas fees are lower. When not a lot of people are buying and selling, like late at night, 1, 2 in the morning, London session, you'll be able to get a cheap gas fee. I've walked away with $10 people. You know what I'm saying? So you want to just be aware of that. So that's pretty much NFTs. Now we're going to get into the nitty gritty. I know y'all heard a little bit about this. Y'all don't know too much, but I want to give you guys all the sauce. You know what I'm saying? So far, you guys know cryptocurrency. So far, you know NFTs. So far, you guys know just about the basics. You know what I'm saying? In reference. But I suggest that everybody go and DYOR. Do your own research. Do your own research. Do your own research. No cap. Do your own research in anything that you invest your money in. And do not invest what you can't afford to lose. Okay? Do not invest what you can't afford to lose. I'm just going to say that. Don't be investing your rent money, trying to come up in the market. The same thing with Forex, cryptocurrencies. Don't do it. Why? Because this is all a mental game. This is all mental. You feel like you'll make yourself lose money whenever you don't need to lose money. Y'all ever been inside of a trade and then you see that the market it wicked down and you down 10, 20 bucks and you're like, man, I would just up 50. And then now you close out the trade, right? And then it shoots up and you're 100 pips in profit. And you're like, man, I just lost that money for no reason. That's why you don't invest like that.
That's a trader's life.
Facts.
But trader,
All right, so let's get into the metaverse. Does anybody know about the metaverse? Anybody heard anything about the metaverse, period?
Yeah, I heard
some
about
promotion.
it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, bet. So I'm gonna break it down for you guys so you can understand just a little bit more about the metaverse and so forth for that nature. Okay. So now we're gonna get into it. What is the metaverse? Yeah, can everyone mute their mics, please? Can everybody mute their mics because I'm at and this is a recording? Okay, cool. I appreciate you guys. Appreciate your aunt. Yeah, everybody mute. So now the metaverse is about to be crazy. It is about to be crazy. Everything that I just showed you leads up to the metaverse. It can all be used in the metaverse. So understand the value of how all these things work together. The utility is the key when it comes to finding coins, when it comes to finding NFTs, and when it comes to the metaverse. Utility. What is it being used for? Who is it connected to? And what is it going to do? Okay. So metaverse. The metaverse is a bridge between the physical world and the virtual world within a decentralized and open source virtual world. VR, in other words, like that. Cryptographic protocols will emerge for managing digital value. For example, digital art, NFTs, real estate. You know, people are selling digital land, right? Digital land is being sold. Advertising space in the digital world. The facilitators, there's different facilitators like Facebook, like a lot of people that are putting out all this information, and it will be NFTs on the Polygon network that allow you to make affordable, rapid transactions. On the Polygon network, things are extremely cheaper, and you'll be using a Polygon network for most of the things inside of the metaverse. So basically, it's bringing NFTs to real life. It's bringing them to life. It's making these things possible. Okay, so it's like virtual VR. I know you've seen the Google glasses. You know, you can do a whole bunch of different things with them and so forth of that nature. Yes, that's exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, but how do you like use it? How do you use it? How do you get into the metaverse? How do you really do that, right? So NFT games. You want to use NFT games, gaming. There's different things like Axie Infinity. There's different things like Blocktopia, which is, you know what I'm saying, going to go crazy. You know what I'm saying? Just got in that. There's NFT champs. There's a whole bunch of. Matter of fact, let me show you guys. So this is what I mean. NFT champs. This is an NFT game. So you can trade now. You can play and earn. Now this is a free playing system to where you can earn tokens, earn NFTs and stuff like that while you're playing throughout the process. And there even is a token associated with it on called champs. That's something I definitely suggest you guys get into as well. But it's going to give you the real world. This looks like a Pokemon, right? Yes, it's going to be the digital version of Pokemon. Everybody loved Pokemon as a kid. So you want to be invested in playing games like this and get NFTs like this. This is the metaverse. This is going to allow you to have real life. You know what I'm saying? Put your real life inside the games. Now, this is just a preview of these things. You know what I'm saying? How to play to earn and everything like that. My favorite right now is this one. This is probably the big dog, you know? So, I mean, like, you can catch the name. If you catch the name, you're good. I'm not going to go too much into it. But, you know what I'm saying? Just know that it is super duper dope. It is super duper good. And it hasn't even came out yet. And it's priced very low, and you can get in and buy the coin before the game comes out and make a lot of money. Just know that, okay? And you can only buy at one place, and that one place is on my screen right now. I can't give too much sauce out of information, but you know, if you guys can take hints, you'll be able to go ahead and make that money and so forth. But definitely NFT games. And then you want to be able to buy virtual lands for resale. Like Sandbox is a dope game where you can buy lands, Decentraland, Next Earth. These are places where you can go and buy. Let me type it out so you guys can see. You can actually buy your land, the house that you live in. You can go and buy it on these platforms. So
You said the house that we live in is on these platforms?
Yeah, it's digital too.
So they have a system somehow built into all of this stuff.
Exactly. And you can use this in the metaverse. You come on here, you can go buy, this looks like a castle or something like that, but for all different kind of different prices and so forth. You can buy the water, you can buy the land. Like, let me see if somebody has something put up right now. I think, yeah, this is in Texas right now. So let's go look at Staples Center. You can go buy the Staples Center, you know what I'm saying, digitally. And then go resell it. You see it's right here. It looks like somebody already bought it, but let me show you guys. You can go and buy this for like 20 bucks, 30 bucks, right? And then go and sell this, see, for 700. It's up 400%. This is the access to the metaverse. This is the kind of information. They probably only bought that square for 20, 30 bucks. So, you know what I'm saying? Definitely want to get on game in reference to the metaverse, because real life, you know what I'm saying, and virtual, they're pretty much the same thing at this point.
Is that map?
I can't hear you. Say that again.
I bet I was just looking at, you have map at the bottom of that. I was just trying to get a good,
yeah, there's a map. You can put in anything in anywhere you want to look.
so basically like in baseball, I grew up at jazz like that. I could just buy that whole little piece.
Exactly.
Sheesh. Dang.
Everything is next level. I'm giving y'all some real sauce. So yeah, for sure.
My whole city shit. You know what I'm saying?
Facts. You
Finally
good.
got 40 acres.
I got 40
Probably
acres.
get my 40 acres and a mule.
Yeah, so whenever you buy your land, you can resell it, or you can have people in the different NFT games, or if somebody wants to do a concert in a game or something, or on your land virtually, guess what? They got to pay you for it. So that's a whole different thing. But you can buy metaverse tokens. Some of the tokens that I suggest that you buy with your metaverse tokens or coins just in general are Matic, Polygon, Mana, Sandbox, IoTex, Decentraland. But again, go and do your own research. So you know what I'm saying? The sky's the limit. It's possible whenever it comes to this metaverse. Let me check the chat because I see the chat is going up. Collector Laurent, digital monopoly. Yep. How do you know which properties to buy, Ms. Hazel J? I can't give us it. Hit me up. Hit me up. I got you. Okay. No. Okay, that's if Rockstar, you said it's like 1K a property. You have to go and get different things before other people go get it. It's selling off the platform for basically 0.01 cents per square. So you can go and get 20 squares with about almost 20 bucks. So you want to go in there and get that. Now, if somebody else go and buy the property, you got to go buy it from them. You know what I'm saying? I'm just being honest. But now, okay, cool. So why to invest in the metaverse? Last slide. Facebook just changed their name to Meta. If y'all sleep and y'all don't understand and know what's going on, they're creating the metaverse. It's going to be bigger than ever. It might not be now. It might be 10 years down the line. But guess what? You're in position now to get invested now. And 10 years later, 5 years later, your whole life can change. That's why you're being able to do this. Now, they're developing platforms and virtual worlds where people can actually like live in these worlds, VR systems, to where now they're putting out glasses and stuff like that, to where everything can be, as your real life world can be a game. They have out with things. And then another key thing, the staple just to crypto today. That's why crypto.com, if you see it on Coinbase, it's on the top gainers. Wake up, people. Wake up, family. It is right here. I want to give you guys some sauce. The markets will drop, and then the price will skyrocket. So do your own research on when to get in and so forth of that nature. buy the dip and hold the coins on NFT, your coins, NFTs, Meta, on a Metaverse, everything. Buy and hold, buy the dip. Okay, family? So pretty much now you guys see all the information. Now you see all the value, how easy it is to, you know what I'm saying, own cryptocurrencies, altcoins, meme coins, buy NFTs and everything like that. How to get into the metaverse, why it's super duper important. You have it all. Now you just have to go out there and do your own research a little bit more. You know what I'm saying? So you can really take it to that next level. There will be more trainings that go further, more in depth. You know what I'm saying? And that's what you guys get a part of this personal mentorship program. So I just appreciate you guys all for your time. Looking forward for working with each and every one of you. But now I'm going to go ahead and stop the